In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Yahoo email account. First, open your favorite web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and go to yahoo.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In, and on the Sign In page choose Create an Account. That will bring you to the registration form where you'll enter your information. Begin by typing your first and last name. Use the name you want others to see in their inbox when you send emails. Next, choose your new Yahoo email address. Try a simple, professional handle, and if it's already taken, Yahoo will suggest alternatives. Aim for something you can remember and others can spell easily. Now create a strong password. Mix upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess, like common words or personal details. Longer is better. Aim for at least 12 characters. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to generate and save a secure password so you don't forget it. Provide your birth date. Keeping this accurate helps with account recovery and appropriate settings. Once everything looks correct, click Next. You'll now be asked for your mobile phone number. Make sure you have access to this device, because Yahoo will send a verification code by text message. If you're entering an international number, double-check the country code before continuing. Request the code, then watch your phone for the SMS. When it arrives, enter the digits exactly as shown and submit. If you don't receive it right away, give it a moment, confirm you have a signal, and check any folders where your phone might filter texts. You can request another code if needed, but avoid sending multiple requests in a row. After your number is verified, take a moment to review Yahoo's terms of service and privacy policy. Skimming them helps you understand how your data is used and what you're agreeing to. When you're comfortable, click to agree and continue. That's it. You've successfully created your new Yahoo email account. You can use it right away to sign up for services, receive updates, and communicate with friends or colleagues. For a smoother experience going forward, keep your password secure, don't share verification codes, and consider noting the email handle you chose so you can easily recall it later. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you set up your account.